Welcome to Randy Wise Hyundai, and here's a look at one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with garage door transmitter, emergency communication system, Sync 3 911 assist, Sirius XM satellite radio, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, parking sensors, heated front seats, keyless entry, rear view camera, electronic stability control, outside temperature display, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer. For over 20 years, family-owned Randy Wise Hyundai has been there to help you make the best vehicle purchase. Whether new or used, not just to sell you a car, we care about our customers and want to make your purchasing experience the best as possible. With 13 brands available at 8 different locations, you can buy in-store or online at Randy Wise Hyundai. So make the wise choice and stop by today.